Hello everyone, welcome back to another video, and in this video I will show you how to cancel your Pictory subscription. Also, if you're new to Pictory and you wish to open an account, you can use my link from the video description and you will get a small discount. So let's get started. The first thing you need to do is hover over your profile icon right here in the upper right corner. Once you hover over it, a menu will appear. On this menu, you just need to go to My Subscriptions right here. Click on it, and after a few moments, this page will load. On this page, you will be able to see your subscription details. Now, take a look at this billing cycle box right here. What you need to do is click Go to Billing right here. Once you click that, you will be redirected to the billing page. On this page, you will be able to start the cancellation process. So what you need to do here is just click on this cancel button right here. Once you click on it, this box will appear, asking you why are you canceling your subscription. You can just click Other. On this page, you can just select the first option and click Cancel Subscription. Now this is the last page that you will see. You are presented with a choice with pausing your subscription or cancelling it completely. So if you pause your subscription, you will only pay $1 per month and all of your projects will be safe and ready for you until you come back. On the other hand, if you cancel your subscription, all of your projects will be permanently deleted. So right here I will actually just pause my subscription for now, but you can decide for yourself. And that's about it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe.